how are you all today? Children, in our last session, which activity did we do? We did rainbow color blend activity, right? I hope you enjoyed doing that activity. And today, I am back with another very interesting activity, and this activity is based on Shopping Planet. So children, in Shopping Planet, we learn to buy things and we learn to make payments, right? So today in cash counter, how do we pay money, that I am going to show you. But before that, let us understand about basic currency. Okay, so today I am going to show you the currency of 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. And along with this currencies, how we can make payments with different combinations, that we'll learn in this session. So children, this is 1 rupee coin. Now I will show you another coin, that is 2 rupee coin. Now after this I will show you 5 rupee coin, and the last is 10 rupee coin. So 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. We have this many coins, and with the use of this currency, I will show you how you can make payments with different combinations, right? So shall we start the activity? So children, as you all know, we do not have special currency for each number, right? For example, we have 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin. Then we do not have 3 rupees, 4 rupees. Directly we have 5 rupee coin. Then we do not have 6 rupee, 7 rupee, 8 rupee or 9 rupee coin. Directly we have 10 rupee coins, right? So in our Indian currency, we have this type of fixed currency. Today I am going to take this basic currency of 1, 2, 5 and 10 rupee coins, and I will give you few combinations through which you can learn to make payments when you go for shopping. So first of all, I am going to take 1 rupee. Children, if you are buying something of 1 rupee, what you have to pay? You have to pay this 1 rupee coin, right? So here you do not need any combination. But when you go to buy something of 2 rupees, you need to make some combinations. I will show you. What you can do, if you have bought something of 2 rupees, you can directly give 2 rupees to the vendor. Or what you can do, you can give 2 1 rupee coins, right? So this is 2 rupee coin. I will show you with the use of toothpick so that you can understand it, right? So this is 2 rupee coin. So here I am putting 2 toothpicks, and here I have taken 1 rupee plus 1 rupee. So here 1 toothpick, and here also 1 toothpick. So this is 2, and here also this 2, when we combine this, how many toothpicks do we have? 2. So 1 rupee and 1 rupee, this also makes 2 rupees. So this is the other combination of paying 2 rupees. Now we'll take another coin. Now I have this 5 rupee coin. Which coin is this? 5 rupee coin. Okay, so I am keeping this coin here. Can you see, children? So this is 5 rupee coin, and now we'll see different combinations to make payment of rupees 5. So first of all, if you have a 5 rupee coin, you can directly pay it. So this is the first combination, right? But now think that you do not have 5 rupee coins. So how will you pay? You will take 2 rupee coin, then one more 2 rupee coin, and then 1 rupee coin. This also makes 5. How? I will show you. Now 2 rupees equal to 2 toothpicks. 2 rupees equal to 2 toothpicks. And 1 rupee equal to 1 toothpick. Now let us count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many toothpicks do we have? 5. So this currency makes 5. So this is another combination of rupees 5. So you can use this combination to make payments. Now we'll see another combination. Here I am taking 1 rupee plus 1 rupee plus 1 rupee. Now how many rupees do I have? 1, 1 and 1. That is 1, 2 and 3. Now I have 3 rupees. Now how much I need? I'll need 2 rupees. So I will take 2 rupees coin. Right? So this is another combination. Let us take toothpicks to count it. 1, 2, 3 and here how many toothpicks shall I keep? 2. Very good. So now let us count all together. 1, sorry. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay children. So this combination also makes 5. So this is 1, 1, 1 plus 2. Now children, the last combination we can take is 1 rupee coins. We can take 1 rupee coins and make payments. I will show you how. If we have all 1 rupees, we can take 5 1 rupee coins. 1 coin, 2 coin, 3, 4 and 5. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All are 1 rupee coins. So this is also another combination of making payment of rupees 5. Now children, we'll move ahead and we'll take 10 rupees coin. Which coin is this? This is 10 rupee coin. Okay. So now we'll see how different combinations can help and we can make payment of rupees 10. Right? Okay. So now, for example, if I have bought a chocolate of rupees 10. So what can I do? I can pay directly 10 rupees. Right? This is one combination that I can pay directly. Right? But if I do not have 10 rupee coin, what can I do? I can take 5 rupee coin and another 5 rupee coin. 2 5 rupee coins, right? Because you can see in your fingers 5 plus 5. How much does it make? 10. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So this is one combination of 10. Now we'll take another combination. For that we will use 2 rupee coins. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Children, see, here I have taken 5 coins of 2 rupees, and you can see that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 10. Let us see with the toothpick so that you can understand in detail. Okay, 2 toothpicks, then 2 toothpicks, 2 here, 2 here, and here. So now let us count these toothpicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 coins of 2 rupees make 10. So this is another combination, right? And children, with 1 rupee also you can make payments of 10 rupees, right? How you will make? You will take 10 coins of 1 rupee. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here I have 10 coins of 1 rupee. So this also makes rupees 10, right? So this is the third combination of rupees 10. So children, I hope you understood how to make payments with different combinations, right? Now when you will go with your mama for shopping, you have to count this currency and make small payments, right? It's a very good mental math activity. I hope you all will like this activity, and you must be having few coins in your piggy banks, right? So do this activity and take help from your elders, right? Bye bye for now. Take care.